Choose the correct picture for each question.
Speaker 1.
We have to do much more to reduce the production of CO2 from power plants. We need to use sustainable ways of making energy, like wind farms and solar panels on roofs. Private companies can do that, but the most important thing for the government to do is to build nuclear plants. They're expensive to build, but the energy they produce is very cheap.
Speaker 2.
I know we should stop using fuels like wood and coal to heat our homes, but that will take a long time to change. But the City Council could do something tomorrow to reduce harmful emissions. It could stop cars going into the city centre unless they are electric.
Speaker 3.
Our planet faces so many problems, but the worst of all is cutting down trees for farmland or wood for building. That's far worse than plastic trash in the oceans or continuing to use fossil fuels.
Speaker 4.
In the last 100 years, the average global temperature has risen by less than 1 degree Celsius, 0.6 to be exact. That does not sound like much, but even a small difference in the average means that there have been much higher temperatures on some days than in the past. In the next 30 years, we think the average temperature will rise much more, perhaps by 2.7 degrees Celsius.
Speaker 5.
One of the results of global warming is the melting of the ice in the Arctic and Antarctic. This leads to a rise in sea level. Over the past 100 years, sea level has risen by 0.5 meters. We predict a rise of 1 meter in the next 30 years, which doesn't sound like much, but it would threaten many cities, including Bangkok in Thailand and Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. Some scientists even say that sea level may rise by 2 meters, but this seems unlikely.